Woodworking's all about precision, creativity, and having the right tools at hand. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, the right equipment makes every project smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. From clever measuring devices to innovative cutting and assembly tools. Here are 15 cool woodworking tools every smart woodworker needs to elevate their craft. MatchFit Pop Stop. The MatchFit Pop Stop is a versatile accessory designed to enhance precision and efficiency in woodworking. Easily positioned anywhere along your dovetail grooves, these innovative stops stay elevated when in use and automatically fold neatly into the groove when covered, ensuring a smooth workflow. Whether you're working vertically or horizontally, the Pop Stop integrates seamlessly with MatchFit fences, sleds, jigs, and work tables. Perfect for achieving repeatable cuts with accuracy, it is fully compatible with all MatchFit Dovetail track systems. Offering reliability and effortless adjustments, the MatchFit Pop Stop is a must-have tool for serious woodworkers seeking consistent results. Virutex F C116 U-Lock Mortiser. The Virutex FC116 U-Lock Mortiser is a powerful and precise tool designed for creating accurate lock mortises with ease. Ideal for professionals and DIYers alike, it combines efficiency, durability, and versatility to handle a wide range of tasks. Engineered for both workshop and on-site applications, the FC116U ensures clean, consistent results with minimal effort. Its robust construction guarantees long-lasting performance, while its user-friendly design allows for quick setup and operation. Whether installing locks in wooden doors or tackling detailed carpentry projects, the Virutex FC116U delivers reliability and precision, making it an essential addition to any craftsman's toolkit. DCK KMQ85S 5.0 Amp Top Handle Jigsaw. Experience woodworking like never before with the DCK KMQ85S 5.0 Amp Top Handle Jigsaw. Built for efficiency and durability, this jigsaw combines precision with power to handle diverse projects. Featuring straight cutting and 3 orbital settings, it delivers smooth performance, making even tight curves feel effortless. Its adjustable 0 to 45-degree bevel cutting angle and stepless speed control provide versatility for cutting through different materials with accuracy and ease. Whether you're working on intricate details or large projects, the KMQ85S ensures reliable results every time. A perfect tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. This jigsaw is worth a try. Stakma Mini Multifunctional Table Saw. The Stakma Mini Multifunctional Table Saw is the ultimate tool for DIY enthusiasts who need precision in a compact design. Powered by a 100-watt motor with a 7-speed dial, it delivers up to 6,000 RPM for smooth and accurate cutting. This versatile saw handles wood, plastic, metal tubes, PCB boards, and more, making it perfect for hobbyists, model makers, and crafters. With its adjustable cutting angle from 0 degrees to 90 degrees, multiple blade options, and included soft shaft, it adapts to a variety of projects. At just 7 inches wide, it's lightweight, portable, and powerful enough to tackle big jobs in small spaces. Shopfox W187 6/6-inch Benchtop jointer with spiral style cutterhead. The Shopfox W187 6/6-inch Benchtop jointer with spiral style cutterhead delivers professional precision in a compact design, perfect for small shops and hobbyists. Powered by a 1.5 horsepower, 120 volt, single-phase motor drawing 10 amps, it handles tough jobs with ease. With a maximum cutting width of 6 inches and a depth of cut up to 1/8 inch, it ensures clean, accurate results. Its spiral-style cutter head with 12 carbide inserts spins at 12,000 RPM, providing smooth finishes and reduced tear-out. The 6 1/4 by 30 inch table offers ample support, while the 2.5 inch dust port keeps your workspace cleaner and more efficient. MBS Pro 2.0 including Forstner drill bit. The MBS Pro 2.0 by DNG Tools is the ultimate furniture drilling template designed for professionals and hobbyists alike. Now including a Forstner drill bit, it ensures clean, tear-free and precise holes every time. Its flexible drill sleeves allow quick adjustments, making it perfect for various woodworking projects. Built from robust materials, the MBS Pro 2.0 guarantees durability and long-term reliability. With a board thickness range of 15 to 29 mm, it easily adapts to different tasks. The included handy tool bag keeps everything organised, while its intuitive setup makes creating hole patterns effortless, ideal for carpenters, furniture makers, and DIY enthusiasts. Grizzly 18-inch 2 horsepower open-end variable speed drum, Sander G0458ZX. The Grizzly 18-inch 2 horsepower open-end variable speed drum Sander G0458 ZX is engineered for precision and performance. Its powerful 2 horsepower motor effortlessly sands boards up to 36 inches wide, thanks to the innovative open-end design that doubles sanding capacity. The electronically controlled variable speed conveyor allows users to fine-tune feed rates, ensuring smooth, consistent finishes on a variety of wood types. Designed with convenience in mind, the integrated mobile base makes transport and shop cleanup simple. Perfect for furniture makers, cabinet builders, and serious DIYers, this drum sander delivers professional-grade results while maximising efficiency in every woodworking project. Stakma palletmax 4500. The Stakma palletmax 4500 is a state-of-the-art automated pallet production machine designed for efficiency, consistency, and ease of use. Featuring replaceable and adjustable pallet templates, it allows quick changeovers without the need for programming. Its advanced automated nailing system, equipped with smart sensors, ensures precision by detecting nail and gun status while stopping automatically when supplies run out. An optional robotic arm stacks finished pallets, further reducing manual labour. Ergonomically designed, the palletmax minimises physical strain while boosting output, capable of producing 400 to 1,200 pallets per shift depending on complexity. With intuitive controls, it offers both high productivity and simplified operation. Veritas Dovetail Guide and Saw Set. The Veritas Dovetail Guide and Saw Set is the perfect solution for woodworkers who want to master hand-cut dovetails with confidence. Designed to help beginners achieve precise results, this set also supports skill development to eventually cut dovetails freehand. The saw guides ensure consistent accuracy, while the included detailed instructions walk you through every step, from layout to final cuts. Whether you're new to joinery or refining your craft, this set offers the ideal balance of guidance and hands-on learning. Crafted for reliability and ease of use, it empowers you to create strong, beautiful dovetail joints with traditional craftsmanship. Veritas Hold-Down. The Veritas Hold-Down is a versatile and reliable workbench accessory designed for woodworkers seeking precision and convenience. Easily installed in any 3/4 inch through hole, it offers quick setup and release for efficient workflow. Its clever cantilever design provides a firm, secure grip on your work, while the adjustable clamping knob lets you apply just the right amount of pressure. With an 8-inch throat and a 10-inch post, it's ideal for clamping even large or thick workpieces away from the dog hole. Perfect for woodworking projects, this tool delivers strength, control, and flexibility, making it an essential addition to any workshop. AXMINSTER Workshop Number 7, 178, Duplex Rebate Plane. The AXMINSTER Workshop number. 778 Duplex Rebate Plane is a versatile hand tool designed to cut rebates up to 38mm wide with precision and ease. Its adjustable fence, supported on robust twin guide rods, ensures stability and accuracy during use, while the fence can be mounted on either side for maximum flexibility. Featuring 2 blade positions, this plane adapts to a wide range of tasks, making it highly practical for woodworking projects. A fine blade adjustment mechanism allows for precise control over cutting depth, delivering clean, accurate rebates. Durable and reliable, it's a must-have tool for professional and hobbyist woodworkers. UJK Sawhorses. The UJK Sawhorses, sold in pairs, are designed to deliver fast, reliable support for site work and workshop tasks. Perfect for tradespeople on the move, these sawhorses allow you to create a sturdy work setup in minutes, straight from the van to the job site. Built with durability and practicality in mind, they provide excellent stability on all surfaces and in all weather conditions. Their clever design ensures quick setup, easy storage, and safe, secure handling of heavy materials. Whether cutting, assembling, or supporting, the UJK Sawhorses are a versatile, dependable solution for professionals and DIYers who value efficiency. WORKPRO 211 PCS Mini Grinder, set WP472411CE. The WORKPRO 211 PCS Mini Grinder, set WP472411CE, is the ultimate multi-purpose toolkit designed to power through all your creative and repair projects. Equipped with a robust 130-watt motor and a variable speed range of 8,000 to 35,000 RPM, it offers precision and flexibility for cutting, grinding, polishing, sanding, and engraving. The set includes 211 versatile accessories neatly packed in a durable PP storage case, ensuring everything stays organized and ready to use. Perfect for hobbyists, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike, this compact yet powerful grinder delivers efficiency, control, and reliability, helping you achieve professional quality results with ease. Woodpeckers Router Plane. The Woodpeckers Router Plane is a precision hand tool built for fine-tuning joinery with unmatched accuracy and control. Designed with inspiration from classic 19th century router planes, it combines timeless craftsmanship with modern engineering. Offering 3 mounting positions and multiple blade orientations, it adapts to any woodworking task with ease. The backlash-free depth adjustment ensures smooth, precise cuts, whether you're cleaning up dados, leveling tenons, or fine-tuning grooves. Ideal for both seasoned woodworkers and beginners, this router plane bridges tradition and innovation. Built with durability, versatility, and ingenuity, the Woodpeckers Router Plane delivers reliability in every cut and confidence in every project. GTA 26 Cordless Pruner STIHL. The STIHL GT. A 26 cordless pruner is a compact, versatile tool designed for pruning branches, shrubs, and small trees with ease. To ensure long-lasting performance, proper chain tensioning is essential. A chain that is too tight causes wear, while a loose one risks falling off. Always remove the battery before adjusting. Loosen the wing nut, pull the guide bar to align drive links correctly, and retighten. The chain should move smoothly with 2 fingers. Apply STIHL multi-oil bio for lubrication and cooling before reinserting the battery. With regular maintenance, the GTA26 delivers reliable, precise cutting for all garden tasks.